Okay, we're looking for the ignition. We're going to test spark to see where they got. We come in here. We're hooking up to a known good spark plug, not the one under suspicion. If you look at the lap scope, you can see a good single ignition pattern. I'll switch back over here. I'm going to switch to a second good one. Go back to the lap scope. You can still see the good pattern. Now we'll go back to the suspicious one, which is number 5. We'll hook on to number 5. Go back to the scope and you can see the bad pattern. We've got negative burn time. The spark is firing. Negative burn time. Something's wrong with that injector. Okay, I'm going to try and test for an injector. I'm going to first test a good injector so you can see that, and then go to the bad injector wire. We're going to the best connection right here. Come down in here, locate my wire, pierce the wire. Now if you look at the lab scope, you can see the good injector pattern. I'm going to take that out of there, come back to the harness. I'm going to go to my suspect injector. I'll pierce that wire. Go to the lab scope and there's no signal. We got a dead injector. Got an open circuit in that injector.